Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is well. Today I want to share with you a loaded mini pizza box that I made to store some craft supplies in to send off to one of my swap partners. It's a very cute little mini pizza box and it was also fun to make. The box measures 4 inches by 4 inches with a depth of 1 inch, and I've got here another pizza box that I made, and this is the inside of how it looks. Surprisingly, you can store quite a few things in this little pizza box. This one here, I've embellished this one here with an embellishment that was sent to me by a swap that I did on Instagram, and her name was Moonrock Paper Scissors. And if you do have Instagram, you should go and have a look at her page. She's got some beautiful, wonderful creations on there. So I put that on top of my pizza box. So inside this box, I'll show you what I put in here. I've decorated the inside top of the box as well, and I've got a package. Well, I've made a little package with some dies in there that I die cut. Altered paper clips, a mini embellished file folder, and I have a tutorial on how I made this file folder on my channel if you want to have a look. The little mini windmill topper, a couple of washi samples for her. I have a pocket tag with a tag, and that was using my envelope punch board to make this. An embellished tag that she could use. Some sequins. I've also put in a pack of envelopes that I'm using one of my dies, and another altered paper clip as well. So that's what I put in my loaded pizza box for her, and I'm going to show you how I made the box. What you'll need is one sheet of 6 by 11 sheet of paper. Now if you have a double-sided paper, that would be more preferable, because when you open your box it's nice to see the decorative paper on the inside as well, but if you don't, it doesn't matter either. Okay, so you'll need a sheet of paper that measures 6 inches by 11 inches. If you have a 12 by 12 paper, you will be able to get 2 mini pizza boxes out of the one sheet. You'll need your scoreboard. So on the 11-inch side of your paper, you will score it at 1 inch, 5 inches, 6 inches and 10 inches. Then you turn it over, and on your 6-inch side you will score it at 1 inch and 5 inches all the way down. And that's it for your scoring. Of course, you will then need to fold all of your score lines and fold them really well. That way your box will close nicely. So do all that. And then once you've done that, you will have 4 score lines down the bottom here. You will cut each of those lines right up to the first score line. And so you just go ahead and you will cut it up to your lines. First line, sorry. Just like that. And then just cut a notch. Just pull them off. And then just one more here. Now I've already done the opposite side already, so you'll go ahead and do the same to the opposite side of your paper, and just cutting it up to that first score line, and then just making a notch as well. So once you've done that, you will turn your, once you've done that, you'll need a circle paper punch, and you will just make a half circle at one end of your paper. If you don't have a paper punch, it doesn't matter. This is just an optional thing. It's just to give you that little tab there that you have. So once you've done that, that will be about at the top there. And then you will have your 6 flaps. Actually, we'll turn it this way. You'll have your 2 flaps, 2 in the middle and 2 on the top. So you will get your glue. Okay. You apply some glue to your 2 bottom flaps. And just bring it up. And just press it to the side of your box. Just let that sit. Okay, so you've got that. Once you've done that, you will apply glue to your 2 middle flaps. And bring it up and just adhere that to the side of your box. So that's your bottom box done. It's just my glue might take a little while to set. Okay, so that's it. And then you'll have 2 top flaps there. Again, just apply some glue to that. And then, sorry, this is still a bit wet. So then you just grab your flap and just bring it on the inside and just adhere it like that. And the same with the other side. And there's the top of your pizza box done. Okay, so there you have your box, and then you'll be able to close it. I'm sorry, that's still coming out. Okay, that should do it. It's just a little bit wet, but it'll set. Okay, so there's your box. And you open it up and you've got your little loaded mini pizza box. And then all you have to do now is the fun part of embellishing your pizza box on the top, and if you want to embellish your inside as well. I've also made another box which is slightly bigger, or I should say slightly longer. This was for my daughter's 19th birthday the other day. And I made a longer box because I wanted to give her some money, and I didn't want to put the money in an envelope because she'll know it's money. So I put it in this box here, and I wrapped up the money with some tissue paper, and I laid it in here, and then I added a couple of other little gifts in there to go with it. So that's this box here, which I thought was pretty cute. And if you want to make this box for your notes, the measurement for this box was 11 by 8.5. So on the 11-inch side of your box, you will score your paper at 1, 5, 6 and 10. And then on your 8.5-inch side of your paper, you will score it at 1 and 5. And then all you do is just assemble the box the same way you would assemble like you did your little box. And that's how I made my boxes. So I hope you enjoyed what I created, and hopefully you will make a loaded mini pizza box yourself too. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.